The second type of communication, friends, is written communication. Now, written communication has had a very important place in human history. If we go through human history, we realize that initially everything was spoken. The knowledge was transferred from one generation onto the other generation through word of mouth. But once human beings learned to write, then it became easier to store knowledge in the form of books. So we were able to document a lot of things. We were able to observe a lot of things, and then on the basis of that documentation and observation, we were able to pass on knowledge at a much wider scale compared to the era in which only verbal communication was the norm through the medium of books. So, human beings were able to build upon the knowledge of previous generations just because we invented how to write. The next important thing, now let us shift to the present day world. In business world, for instance, or in official correspondence, what is the importance of the written form of communication? The written communication, friends, gives authenticity to whatever we write. I can say one thing, verbal communication, but I can always take my words back, or I might say that I did not actually say this, or I did not actually mean this. But on the other hand, if I write it down, put my signature there, then it lends accountability to whatever I've written there. So if everything goes well, great. But if there's some problem, I can be held accountable for my decisions and for my views. And accountability, friends, is very important in business world, because if people are not accountable, then proper decisions cannot be taken, and organizations and businesses cannot progress in the absence of responsibility and accountability.